today we're going to take a look at the brand new Caliente 16 by Belle Tress, but we're going to compare that to another 16-inch style that's wildly popular called Dalgona coming up. I'm wearing the Caliente 16 by Belle Tress in the color Tres Leches Blonde. This is a newer release by Belle Tress for 2023. We all love the original Caliente. This one just looks like it grew out about 3 or 4 more inches. That actually changes quite a bit. All of a sudden now this is a long wavy style, and due to the very minimal layering, it does have a lot of more weight to it, especially at the bottom. And that is very different from the Dalgona 16. So I do have a Dalgona 16 back here. Let's compare. This is Dalgona 16. It is also in the color Tres Leches Blonde. So each of these styles are 16 inches long from the crown down. However, the layering is completely different. So with the Dalgona, you have massive layering, several tiers of layers all the way through. It makes it a little bit of a lighter density. The graduated layering at the back gives it a more lighter weight line visually. And I rather love my Dalgona, that's for sure. And they both feature a lace front left monofilament side part. But the main difference here is going to be this layering. So with the Caliente 16, you've got a lot of heaviness right at the front. Now this one has a 7-inch fringe that kind of helps manage it around the face beautifully, just like the original Caliente. The Dalgona has a little bit of a longer fringe, but based on the layering, it feels very light and it stays out of the face. The Dalgona feels really lightweight and feathery on the head. It's a light density. You're getting into a thicker density here with a heavier curl pattern at the bottom. This is more of a shattered spiral, which has been textured on the ends more heavily compared to the Caliente. So let's go ahead and do our side-by-side so you can see the similarities and differences. I think this would be great sister style material. They're both 16 inches and you can find your favorite color on each. So everybody have a great day. Thanks for watching.